You guys want it? Do it. In the sky. That's the deal.
All right, folks, we're going to go back to the days of World War II. Stars Aero Team is now taxiing from our right to get ready for their incredible air show display. And again, you'll see, because these airplanes are tail draggers and our pilots sit so far back in the fuselage, they may do a few S-turns just to make sure they know what's in front of them. Opportunity to thank Mike Evans of Go Audio for the support all this weekend, making sure I didn't need to shout really loud throughout the whole weekend. I still have a voice. So thank you very much, Mike and your team. I'd also like to thank Ray Furcus, Kelsey Furcus. Ray was on the radio today. Donna Flynn was working the crowd areas. And of course, Kelsey helping support our performers out there. And we hope you had a great time here today. Make sure you post your videos and your pictures. Tag the Boundary Bay Airshow. And we look forward to seeing you again sometime real soon.